all you're gonna need to do to actually open up one of these or just clean it, you can see right here, there's basically this button that's called empty right here on the very top of it. And basically when you click this with one hand, you can see right here, we can basically just push down. I'm pushing down on the white end of it, and you can see it easily opens like so. Now, if you want to empty it, all you're going to need to do, you can take this, and basically when you take this in, you can see right here, there's this suction cup thing, and basically you just pull this off, and you can see right here all the dust and debris, and you can basically just empty this into the trash can like so. Now, once you've done that, you can basically just give it a good shake. That's obviously the best way to actually get all the dust off, or you can actually use your other hand to do so, but I'm recording. Once you've actually emptied out your container like so, you can give this thing a good shake as well. You can see right here, it's looking really good and clean. You can also replace these bags, which you can order for really cheap if you want to as well. And basically, to put it back together, you just put this thing back in like so. And to put this thing back on, you can just slice it into place like so, like a pizza, and push it into place, and it'll easily click, and you can see that's how you need to use it. You can clean it, and then you can use it just like so. If you found this helpful, leave a like and subscribe down below, but it's really simple to do.